Question 24 shows a table that shows how many goals that some different football teams scored in March. So Manchester City scored 8 goals, Stoke City scored 11, Oxford 2 goals, Leeds 5 goals, Blackburn 3 goals. So the question is, how many goals were scored by Leeds? How many more goals were scored by Leeds? That's going to be a key word. More goals were scored by Leeds than both Oxford and Blackburn together. So what we've got to do is find Oxford and Blackburn together. Now, this is all about reading off the correct information. Now, we're only asked about Leeds, Oxford, and Blackburn. So we actually don't need the Manchester City one, and we don't need the Stoke City one. So we might as well cross those out because we don't need, that's irrelevant information for this question. So Oxford and Blackburn together, well, Oxford is 2, and put it together with Blackburn's 3. Well, 2 plus 3 together is 5. So they scored 5 goals together. And then it says Leeds, we've got to compare this with Leeds. Well, Leeds was also 5. So let's just double check this. So how many more goals were scored by Leeds? Well, Leeds scored 5, and Oxford and Blackburn together also scored 5 if you combine their scores together. So we're basically being asked how many more is 5 than 5. And it is 0 more. It's exactly the same. So the correct answer sounds like a bit of a trick question to this. This one does, but the correct answer is that it's 0. 0 more goals. Leeds did not score any more goals than Oxford and Blackburn put together.